Microsoft has already launched Teams powered by ChatGPT at $7 a month. With ChatGPT, Teams users can generate automatic meeting notes, AI recommended tasks, personalized meeting notes, and a lot more! Exclamation point, exclamation point. I'm writing a book about technology, and one of the things in that book is reframing the idea of singularity. The singularity, if you're not familiar with it, is the moment the robots take over. They start learning faster than we have the ability to keep track of, and they become smarter than us faster than we can keep track. But I would argue that, in fact, we are already in a kind of singularity, and a singularity in which technology moves so fast that we can no longer keep up with its massive social effects on the world. Taking thorough notes, capturing tasks, making templates for meetings, those are all tasks for project managers, executive assistants. Those cost more than $7 a month. The world is changing faster than we can meaningfully regulate. We are already in the singularity.